know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm dirty, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. Hey y'all, so she definitely did her one. She definitely did. So yeah, this is my hair for when I go out. My nails is done. It's not focusing. This is really what I always get, but I sometimes go to LA. So look, sometimes I go to LA Central Nails, sometimes. But this time I went to Julian's. Let me search it up. Julian's Nail Shop, y'all. This is the address. They do $25 sets. Same as LA Central. So if y'all want some cheap little sets, come here, y'all. I always get this. Pay only $25. Y'all need to definitely go to who I told y'all to go to. $25 nails. My hair was $110. So like very affordable, very, yeah. And that's all I really get done. I wear lash strips, so I don't get lashes done or nothing like that. Yeah, so I literally just opened my clusters for my lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do clusters. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I decided I'm not gonna do lash strips. Yeah, so here's the finished product. Really cute. This is the finished product. Really, really cute. They are like really full, but I like them. No shade. Really cute. And literally the time right now is 3:42 in the AM. So I'm gonna go to bed. And another thing I didn't even really tell y'all, I'm going out of town tomorrow. Surprise, surprise, I'm going out of town tomorrow. And I literally just packed all my stuff. So I'm ready and packed up. And yeah, catch y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, so we just made it to a gas station, so we had stopped. But we is 2 hours from New Orleans. I have not been updating y'all, but we 2 hours from New Orleans. Look at my family. Did you get, oh, you get say the water. Hey, y'all. Girl, get out of that. I'm not hey, Jenny. No. Hi. Get the water out the back seat. What? Out the trunk. Get the water out the trunk. She not speaking, but we on the way. We 2 hours away from New Orleans, so. Fridge that's showing me right here. I'm closed, baby. Y'all dramatic over this. Hey y'all, so I just made it to my grandma's house. I'm gonna show y'all some pictures. You about to be 59. Yes. My grandma. And I'll be 40. This my mama with her sisters and my grandma. My auntie, my mama. You should have said Camille about to be 40. She said, oh, your mama is, or your mama, your mama 40. Y'all, so now we done made it to the seafood restaurant, and I'm gonna show y'all what I get. Ooh, y'all. I feel like this video is gonna be like a big montage, because I feel like I have not really been updating y'all, but it's just been a lot going on. Today is only Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday, which is Easter though. So y'all gonna see a lot of the stuff I'm gonna be doing. I just feel like this vlog is all over the place though. Y'all, this is my sister food, my mama food, and then my food right here. Oh. So y'all, the food was not good, honestly. I had to send my plate back. And no, like, y'all do not come to this place for real. We finna go get some beignets right now though, so y'all can see a little bit of that. Hopefully that's good, because I actually haven't had beignets yet. So we're gonna see if it's a 10 out of 10, and I'm gonna let y'all know. So you get a better picture, man. Y'all, so we done made it here. Okay, y'all, so this is them. So I'm gonna show y'all how I like it. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try it. Why are you knocking my cup down? You like it? It's good. You don't like it? So y'all, this is okay. Not what I thought it was. Hey y'all, so it's Easter today, and this is what I'm wearing. I got this one piece on with some Tory Burch sandals. Real cute. Real cute. Y'all see it. I don't got no earrings. I left my jewelry at home, but everything is still gonna be cute. And yeah, this is what it's giving. No, you don't gotta get in there. I ain't gonna put you in it. Yeah, they got. Yeah, I'm gonna get. What they got? What the drinks at? I'm gonna get a Sprite. Y'all, they got. I could get this. I'm gonna try it. Y'all, so they got crawfish. Y'all, all my family out. How I'm looking. Hey, Ma. Hey. Hey y'all, so today is Monday and I'm finally back home, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video off. This video is like hella short. Like, I'm editing the video right now and it's literally so short, but I think it's because I was so focused on like seeing my family. Like, a lot of y'all don't know, but I am from New Orleans and I'm rarely down there, so it was just like I was kind of all over the place with my clips, but I feel like I got the best clips that I can. Don't get me wrong, my next trip though, y'all gonna see more. Like, I'm gonna make sure I put more. It was just, I was trying to spend time with my family. And then another thing, I be wanting y'all to know, like, when I make my videos is honestly for me to look back at. Like, I don't care about views, comments, likes, nothing. I appreciate it. I'm not gonna say like I don't appreciate it, but I do make these videos for me to look back at. So I feel like I enjoyed myself this weekend. Y'all probably can't tell by the clips, but it was still fun. Like, everything was fun. 10 out of 10 experience. And next time I go to New Orleans, I'm gonna make sure I get more so y'all can see more. And yeah, just thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And thank y'all.